Okay, so we have studied about the cell structure, that there is chromosome, there is cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm, and the division of nucleus is known as nuclear division, and the division of cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis. You can see the diagram on your screens. It is related to the cell structure, and we have also studied about DNA. Who is going to tell me that DNA is abbreviation for what? Just raise your hand and tell me. DNA is abbreviation of what? Hurry up. Yes, Kaleem. What is it? Anyone? Sabine, आपने कल का लेक्चर लिया बेटा, टेल मी. मुदस्सिर.
टीचर नेट नहीं आ रहा था कल इस वजह से.
Okay. DNA is abbreviation of deoxyribonucleic acid, and you can see it over here as well. कि लिखा हुआ है. It is very important. आपको पता होगा what is DNA. ये लिखा हुआ है. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay? It is very important MCQ as well. Then we came to know that cell division is of two types. Number one was mitosis and the other one was meiosis. We have studied about mitosis, and you can see it. मैं एक general सा review दे रही हूँ. Mitosis है क्या? Mitosis is basically a process by which a parent cell is going to be divided into two daughter cells. This is the definition. You can see this is a cell, और इसकी further हमें two replicas मिल गई हैं, which are known as daughter cells. And what happens here? Interphase, you can see it in the diagram. Interphase लिखा हुआ है. Interphase means वो phase जिसमें cell is going to be prepared for division. वो अपने आप को division के लिए prepare कर रहा होता है. Then nuclear division takes place, जिसमें chromosomes are going to be duplicated, and then cytokinesis. Cytoplasm की जो division होती है ये cytokinesis कहलाती है, और इसके साथ what is the result? We get two different kind of daughter cells having chromosomes and nucleus. So this process is known as mitosis, which we have studied yesterday. Now we are going to move on the next page, which is meiosis. Now, what is meiosis? Meiosis is basically a process by which the nucleus of a cell divides two times. And what happens as a result? As a result, we get four daughter cells. But what happened in the mitosis? We get two daughter cells. In the case of meiosis, we get four daughter cells. The parent cell will be same. Sorry. So you can see meiosis में क्या हो रहा है? I am just explaining it, then I am going to read it. It is the parent cell by which division होनी है. You can see this is cell membrane inside, which is going to be further divided. ये देखेंगे dotted line से show किया हुआ circle को, which is showing the division of cell membrane is going on. And what happens? The chromosomes are going to be doubled. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see एक single arm है in the parent cell. When it is going in the phase of interphase, what is going to happen? It is going to be doubled. So there are 8 arms. Then again meiotic one division, जिसको हमने mitosis में we have said that it is nuclear division, and same 4 over here and 4 are over here far apart. Either first वाली meiotic one division जो first portion में there was little bit difference, but what happens in the second one? They are far away. काफी दूर है एक दूसरे से. And then जिसको हमने cytokinesis कहा था in mitosis, it is meiotic two division. And finally, what's going on? There are 4 daughter cells. From the upper portion, there are 2, lower there are 2 daughter cells. So by combining it, it will become 4 daughter cells. and the cytokinesis which was in mitosis, it is named as meiotic 2 division, and meiotic 1 division is nuclear division. Now we are going to read it line by line. Meiosis is a process by which the nucleus of a cell divides twice. Twice means 2 times, to form 4 daughter cells in such a way that the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell is reduced to half compared to the parent cell. Now you can see we have 4 chromosomes number in the parent cell, but what is going to be happen in daughter cells? They are going to be reduced. ये half हो जाएंगे, मतलब हर daughter cell में 4 chromosome नहीं होंगे. There are only 2 chromosomes. Kalim, don't react like stupids and stop playing. कोई तरीका नहीं है. You are changing your name again and again by adding different kind of emojis, different kind of things. It is not the way. You are attending the classes after week. जी बताएं.
टीचर मैंने अभी बस किया है.
अभी नहीं किया, उससे पहले भी आपने किया. You are in class 8 but you are acting like same behavior in class 6. It's better के इंसान बन जाए आप लोग. I am not going to treat you like the students you were in 6th class. If you are not going to learn it over here, then how will you cope up in the class 9 and 10? जिसका जो दिल कर रहा है वो कर रहा है. I am saying again and again, switch on your camera, but nobody is serious about that. You just came and show me a blank. I'm not sitting here to see your faces. I just want to see how much attention you are paying. And Muhammad Shamil, you always show me the fan of your rooms. I never see your face. I don't know what kind of non-seriousness it is. If you people are not interested to study, please don't join the class. At the end, when the schools are going to be started, everyone will say, teacher, हमारे net का issue था, we were unable to listen the lecture. Please repeat it. Nothing is going to be repeated. And also mind one thing, it's not the same case कि आप लोगों को pass कर दिया जाएगा. I will not give any kind of marks if you are not going to write it down. Okay, here is the diagram. After meiotic 1 division, the daughter cells have 2 chromosomes each. At this stage, each chromosome has been shown to have 2 chromatids. The process of meiosis consists of 2 divisions. अब उसी को explain किया हुआ है diagram को जो मैंने आपको बताई है. Number 1 is meiotic 1 division and number 2 is meiotic 2 division. हम per process meiosis कर रहे हैं, but the division is labeled as meiotic 1 and meiotic 2 divisions. Now what happens during meiotic 1 division? The number of chromosomes is reduced to half as compared to the parent cell. Means parent cell में हमारे पास 4 chromosomes हैं. आप देख सकते हो meiotic division में there are reduced तो 2 chromosomes हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Meiotic 2 division is similar to mitosis because the half number of chromosomes is retained in the 4 daughter cells. So this is the major difference of mitosis and meiosis कि जब भी हमने mitosis को study किया है, we get to know that 2 daughter cells are formed, and when we are going to study meiotic, we came to know that we have 4 daughter cells. Now we are moving on the next page, page number 22. This is very important topic which we are going to see now. right? This is the difference between mitosis and meiosis. Number one, during mitosis, two daughter cells are formed from the parent cell. यही बात जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, this is the major difference. And what happens in the case of meiosis? We get 4 daughter cells instead of 2 daughter cells, right? Then we have number two, the number of chromosomes in the daughter cells remain the same as in the parent cell. But what happened in meiosis? It is going to be reduced. ये half हो जाएगा. The number of chromosomes in the daughter cell is reduced to half as compared to that in the parent cell. Then number three is mitosis occur in general body cells, and meiosis occurs to produce gametes, and gametes include sperms plus egg in animals and spores in the plants. So this is a process which is observed in animals and plants. These are three very basic and major differences between mitosis and meiosis, and you have to learn it. One thing very important, आप लोग अब बड़ी classes में जा रहे हैं, so you must be familiar with the board pattern. Now what you have to do, let's say if any kind of differentiation came, तो आपने इसी तरीके से attempt करनी है the way it is in front of your screen. Like if it comes in your exams, you are using the marker and writing down differentiation or differences between mitosis and meiosis, and then you will make a column by putting mitosis and meiosis heading, then points 1, 2 and 3, and keep one thing in mind कि आप जो चीज भी फर्स्ट वाले पॉइंट में लिख रहे हो, एक हेडिंग की वही उसी से रिलेटेड दूसरी चीज आपने लिखनी है. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी लाइक दैट कि आपने पहला पॉइंट लिखा है ड्यूरिंग माइटोसिस 2 डॉटर सेल्स आर फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द प्लांट, और उसी के आगे आप meiosis में लिख रहे हो कि meiosis occurs in animals or spores in plants. No, आप अगर एक चीज को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो आपने दूसरा पॉइंट भी सेम ही लिखना है. एंड सेम विल बी इन द केस कि फर्दर आगे अगर आप दूसरी चीज लाइक नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स डिस्कस कर रहे हो तो यू आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द सेम थिंग इन meiosis एज वेल. ठीक है, क्लियर है यहाँ तक सबको? गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ इट इज क्लियर. अली हसन आप भी सीधे हो जाएं, कभी आप मोहम्मद अली हसन लिख रहे हैं, कभी आप हसन लिख रहे हैं, कभी अली हसन, सारे का सारा टाइम तो आप इन चीजों पे वेस्ट कर देते हैं. गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ इट इज क्लियर टू यू. नहीं है तो बताएं मुझे, टेल मी इन द चैट बॉक्स. Okay, next topic is heredity. Now what is, मुसरफ आप जरा प्लीज अनम्यूट करें. वेट अ मिनट. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. हाँ जी, क्या समझ नहीं आया बेटे?
जो नेट चला गया था.
क्या नहीं समझ आया मुझे बताएं आप.